Hey everyone, let me introduce you to a really fun project. This is the Martelli Snappy Drawstring Bag, and it is just one template, and it is super easy to do. Goes together quickly, so much fun, and it's just universal. It comes with this one template right here, and you have the full written instructions. And as with all Martelli templates, they have this amazing get a grip material in the back, so it grips and holds your fabric, and you can easily cut out. Right here's our fold line, so if I'm going to set this on my fabric right here on the fold line as it states, easy to cut. It's gripping and holding my fabric no matter how I turn it. And this one actually has the cut lines in it, so you can use your rotary cutter to cut all the way around, even when you're getting into this little corner right here. This is the Drawstring Snappy Bag, Snappy Drawstring Bag by Martelli. Fantastic. Again, here's the written instructions, so here's some samples for you. Look how adorable this is. You just need a little bit of fabric, maybe a little bit of fusible or some fleece right here, a little bit of webbing, a little bit of a drawstring, add a couple beads, and look how cute that is. This is absolutely adorable. You actually have not only the big pocket on the inside, but you have these pockets on the outside, and you can put a couple of snaps on it to close those in. So it's got lots of storage, not just from the inside, but also on this little area on the outside. So I got a couple snaps in here just to hold it all in place, and look how fun that is. Here is another one done in one of my favorite designers' fabrics. This is, I believe, by Laurel Birch. Again, you can fill it up. You've got areas right here on the outside to add some storage. This side has a snap, this side does not. And then here you got your big area on the inside, and draw it up. So this is the Martelli Snappy Drawstring Bag. Be sure to pick yours up today. You're going to love it.